First, I'm going to start off by filing as much of the old gel color that I have on my nails off, and I am using a 150 to 180 grit nail file. Try to get as much off as you can without filing your actual nail bed. And then I grabbed 100% acetone. Excuse the messy pour, this is my first time doing this. And I soaked my nails in here for 5 minutes. Grab a cuticle pusher and start gently scraping away the gel color from your nails. If you have any stubborn bits, just soak those nails again for an additional 1 minute and repeat the process. Then grab a lint-free towelette and spray it with alcohol and clean up your nails after that. 90% alcohol is best, but I only had 70% on hand today. Next, I'm grabbing Cuticle Remover that I decanted and put it in a little lip gloss dispenser type tube just to help with it being less messy. I will link all of the products that I used below in the description box. Grab a cuticle pusher again and now scrape off any of the living cells on your nail bed, which is going to help with adhesion. Use nail cuticle clippers if there are any additional parts you just want to clean up around your nails. And then I grabbed a 150 nail file again just to buff off a little bit of your nail so that there is no shine. That doing this will help with the staying power of your gel manicure. So I did apply on the tips of my nails with a base coat to help with splitting, and I cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to apply base coat all over each of my nails. Make sure to get off any polish or base coat from your skin, before you cure your nails. After that, cure it for another 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to put the first coat of my polish on. This is called Overcast. The color is a sheer white. Try to do a very thin layer. This is a sheer color, so it's not supposed to be opaque, and the first coat might not look very even. I did a total of 2 coats, and in between each coat I cured it for 60 seconds.
So this is after 2
And then I applied a top coat.
Now I'm going to add
The one I'm using is from Cocoist, and it's the stain barrier one because I enjoy light colored nail polishes. This one goes on very smooth and easy to apply. I really like it. Don't forget to do the top edge of your nails. I like to do that with the top coat. Again, now cure the top coat for 60 seconds. This is a non-wipe top coat, however, I still used alcohol to clean up the tops of my nails. And now I am all finished with my first set ever gel set that I did at home. It wasn't as daunting as I thought. I hope this was helpful. Take care.